April 30, taong 2024, may isang Japanese boxer ang dumayo sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Ito ay upang subukang agawin ang titulo ng isa nating kababayang Buhileño na si Reggie Suganov, na kasalukuyang may hawak ng titulong WBO Global Light Flyweight title. Sa mga di po nakakakilala kay Reggie Suganov mga master, isa po ngayon si Suganov sa pinakamatindi po nating prospect ngayon sa division na Light Flyweight. Meron po itong kartada na 15 wins with 5 KOs at isang talo pa lamang po. 26 anyos gulang pa lamang ito at 6 na taon pa lamang po ito sa professional boxing, pero title holder na po ito ngayon. At sa taong 2024 nga po mga master, sa di nga po inaasahang pagkakataon ay isang Japanese boxer nga po ang nangahas na dumayo sa ating bansa upang iuwi ang titulo ng ating kababayan na si Reggie. Di rin naman po basta-basta ang Japanese boxer na dumayo na ito. Alam naman nating lahat na sa panahon po ngayon ay iba na po ang kalibre at kalidad ng mga boksingerong Hapon ngayon. Lalo pat isang knockout artist ang dumayo sa ating bansa upang sugupain ang Pinoy boxer natin. Ang Hapon na ito ay nagngangalang kay Ishizawa, 27 anyos gulang, na may ring record na 11 wins with 10 knockouts, 3 losses with 91% knockout ratio. Bagamat mas lamang ang ating kababayan pagdating sa experience, ay pinaniniwalaan nga po ng mga Japanese boxing analysts na easy fight lang daw po ang Pinoy sa kanilang pambato. Ito ay dahil mahina lang daw po ang kamao ng Pinoy dahil sa mababang knockout ratio nito sa kartada nito. Kaya naman, lakas loob ang mga Hapon na ito na sila na mismo ang dadayo sa Pilipinas dahil kumpiyansa nga po ang mga ito na magiging madali lamang ang laban na ito sa kanilang kababayan at madali lamang nilang maiuwi ang titulo ng Pinoy. Pero isang malaking pagkakamali pala mga master ang mababang pag-estima nila sa ating kababayan dahil sa laban na pala na ito, muntikang matapos ang karir ng Hapon na ito dahil diretso po ito sa ospital mga master. Halina't sabay-sabay po natin panoodin ang highlights ng laban na ito na kung saan stretcher ang inabot ng Hapon na ito. Sa unang rounds ng bakbakan mga master ay maganda po agad ang pinapakita ng ating kababayang Pinoy. Magagandang mga kombinasyon po agad ang pinapamalas po nito.
So dito po sa round number 1, medyo nagkakapaan pa sila. Again, scheduled for 12, and usually the longer fights would favor the Filipino, who's more of a boxer, a stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch combination, no response for Ishizawa. Very young Luisito Espinosa, the way he's built, and the hand speed perhaps of Rolando Navarrete. Of course, the light flyweight division is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. Suganov, sinusubok-subukan pa rin. By our unofficial scorecard, Suganov is leading in this round. Let's see what kind of finishing kick this 27-year-old from Japan has. Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Suganov. Final seconds of round number 1.
Sa round 2 mga master ay naging agresibo na po ang kalaban na Hapon. Dito rin nagsimulang dumugo ang ulo ng ating kababayan na tila ba na accidentally headbutt ito. Gayunpaman, hindi naman ito naging ganong kalaking sagabal sa ating pambatong Pinoy at nagpamalas pa rin po ito ng isang napakagandang mga suntok.
Versus Kai Ishizawa of Japan. Some connections there, medyo shaken po. Ito si Ishizawa, left open again on the face. The right hand has been a very deadly weapon para dito. But those are scoring blows. Mukhang may konting dugo na tayo nakikita rito sa ulo nitong si Suganov. There may have been a headbutt somewhere. That would be unfortunate if that the body Ishizawa, which could be a good idea against a taller fighter. Tanda po natin that Ishizawa only a shade above 5'1". But he's got a lot of power. Good center of gravity. 5'5" naman po ang listed height nitong si Reggie Suganov. Halfway mark of round number 2, scheduled for 12. Now body shots being exchanged by both as well. Shots to the body. Better defense actually here for Ishizawa, pero nakakalusot pa rin.
Sa pagsapit po ng middle rounds mga master ay well controlled na po ng ating kababayan ang laban kontra sa Hapon. Halos hindi na po maimulat ng Hapon ang mga mata nito dahil sa mga power punches na sinasalo ng pagmumukha nito sa kababayan natin Pinoy.
More body shots, or more headshots now coming from Ishizawa. Shot to the body once again. Every time magpakawala ng isa. Ito si Suganov, and it's solid. Like that combination was just to see if he can turn the tide here. We know he's a power puncher, but he's being a little careless with his defense. Nakakalusot na naman. And you can see some welts already developing under both, and he has now turned the tide. He has now got his opponents against the ropes. 40 seconds remaining here. A lunging left hand coming from Suganov. Another uppercut, and this time Ishizawa says, bring it on. Another right hand here from Suganov. The accuracy from the Filipino phenom is off the charts here in round number 4. The eyes of Ishizawa. Ishizawa of Japan, the challenger. One left hook, sending him backwards. But not for long, so good na naman. Ito si Ishizawa. Filipino phenom Suganov. So it is not on the eye, it's over the bridge of the nose.
Sa pagsapit ng round 7 mga master ay muli na naman pong tumagas ang dugo mula sa head injury ng kababayan natin Pinoy na sinamantala naman ng Hapon. Kaya naman tila ba nakabawi na ito sa Pinoy sa pagsapit ng round na ito.
Sugat na natamo etong si Reggie Suganov as early as the first round. Tuntok pa lamang po the first round, pero talagang naging lahuan na nung 5th round. The doctor had to be brought in to check it out. Fight still has been quelled for the moment. Ishizawa once again pounding inside. No response coming from Suganov, who tries to push him back to the middle of the ring. Now Suganov's reach advantage has been negated now. Because pati yung depensa ni Suganov, unti-unti na pong nadinismantle. A fighter from Japan. What had been working for Suganov was the shots to the head, the jabs, and the combinations to the head. Kasi unti-unti na nga napapasara na niya yung mata ng kanyang kalaban. But in this case, boy, Ishizawa looks like the first 5 rounds was just a testing. 2 combination shots launched there by Suganov. Hindi man lang natinag itong si Ishizawa. Now Ishizawa has been knocked out once in his career. Taniguchi has really Ishizawa has really flipped the script here. Naging flat-footed na itong si Suganov. He is retreating, and every time he tries to pull off something, Ishizawa is in his face. Another round looming towards the fighter from Japan. Suganov was so accurate in the first 3 rounds, now he can't hit anything.
Pero sa pagsapit nga po ng round 8 ay buong akala po ng announcer at ng mga tao sa venue ay tuluyan na nga pong nakuha ng Hapon ang rhythm ng laro at nadodomina na nga po nito ang Pinoy. Pero isang nakakabiglang, isang Pinoy spirit ang pinamala si Suganov na siya nagpahiyaw at nagpatayo sa mga taong nanonood nung araw na yon.
About the first 4 rounds was accurate until the first 3. Unti-unti na nung round number 5. Nakuha na ni Ishizawa ang kanyang rhythm as they now enter the 8th. Well, Zarate pa rin po nag-aatid ng aksyon. Unofficially, we have Suganov ahead, but only by 1 round. The last 3 unofficially have gone the way of Ishizawa. Ishizawa now body hunting. Di na muna niya pakikialaman yung sugat sa ulo nitong si Suganov, which has opened up again. Not quite sure if it came from an accidental headbutt. And some power shots to the body as well from Suganov. He's trying to destroy the timing of Ishizawa. And it looks like here in the 8th round, Suganov has been successful so far. Junior flyweight division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. Ishizawa. Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Suganov. And another one! Ishizawa is down! Ready to fight now siya. The blood is coming out of Suganov's head. And Ishizawa smells the blood. Wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras to si Suganov. Ishizawa missing. Less than a minute remaining here in this pivotal 8th round. One knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Suganov. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand earlier sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The side of Ishizawa. It's over.
Matapos nga po ang matinding mga tama at kombinasyon na tinamasa ng Hapon sa Pinoy, ay tila ba nawalan ito ng oxygen at nahirapan ng makahinga. Kaya naman, mabilis itong dinala sa pinakamalapit na ospital upang maagapan ang kawawang Hapon na ito. Anong masasabi nyo dito mga master sa performance sa pinakita ni Reggie Suganov? Maraming salamat nga pala sa panonood nyo po ngayon sa ating video. God bless!